everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be doing an acrylic set on my Flexihand. You can get these from the Flexihand Australia using my code NATMUG10 and you'll save 10%. I'll leave the information in the description box below. I am using today some Notpolish acrylic. Stupidly I didn't show you the colours that I was using, so I've forgotten, but I'm pretty sure that this one is Sweet Tooth. And I think I'm pairing it up with Love Machine, which is a really gorgeous purple, but I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure that's what they are. So yeah, so we're going in with the Sweet Tooth colour on the ring finger, and I was just trying to make it nice and neat. And then I do go in with a little tiny extra bit at the free edge because it there I just felt like it needed a little bit more. And I'm using these little shell pieces. I think they were from Beauty Big Bang, and I've got the beautiful gold leaf that I'm using. This was from Nail Sugar. I do have a discount code for Nail Sugar. It's NATMUG10 all in caps, and they don't just sell gold leaf, they sell glitters and all sorts of gorgeous stuff. So I'm just sort of putting that in little random places across the nail, and then in between the gold leaf I'm going to take some little bits of this one. This bit was way too big. I thought it would be cool if I could try and get it on, but the pieces need to be slightly smaller because the nail curves round. It didn't quite, I don't know, it didn't quite, it didn't quite fit, and I'm just sort of trying to push them into the acrylic before it fully sets up. But the acrylic had started to set, so I do just pop a little bit of clear acrylic over the top like this, just so that when I come to cap they don't move around from where I've put them. So I'm just gonna put these where I want them, and then yeah, we're gonna go in with some clear just to finish the nail off. So with the clear, we're going to make sure we create our structure and everything. There we go, and I'm going to leave that to set. A little bit more down the bottom. I've done this video a little while ago, so I can't remember. I'm doing a voiceover, so I can't remember exactly everything that I've done. So I think this is Nude Panther, but I honestly can't remember. I'm going to create an extended nail bed with this, so I'm putting a bead at the closest to the free edge area, and I'm just sort of trying to shape it to the shape that I want, and then I'll come in with this second bead at the cuticle area. And don't worry if you're free the edge of it, not the free edge because it's not really the free edge, but don't worry if the free edge end of the nail bed isn't perfectly neat, because we will go around it with a hand file just to neaten it up, so don't worry too much about that. So we're going to leave this to set before we file it, so we're going to work on another nail. So I forgot to hit record, I don't know what happened, but this is the Love Machine acrylic. It's one of my favorite colors, obviously, because it's like purple. So this is going to go at the free edge, and then we're going to take that Nude Panther. I think it's Nude Panther. Nude Panther's more pink than the other ones that I've used. It's got more of a pinky, I'm pretty sure this one's Nude Panther. And we're just gonna make we're gonna sort of ombre it over the colour. I do go in and put a little bit more on as well. Now when I watch I can't remember the name, but he does his ombres and then he doesn't cap them, and when he files them they look amazing. But I like to, whenever I do an ombre, I like to cap it in clear acrylic, just so that I know that when I file the nail that I won't end up filing through my ombre. So I will cap that one in clear acrylic. And then on this one we're going to create a marble, so I'm going in with Love Machine at the cuticle area, just to make sure that our cuticle area is nice and neat. And then I'm going to take wet-ish beads of Love Machine and Sweet Tooth and just swoosh through them using the very tip of my acrylic brush. I'm going to put some more wet beads at the bottom here and swoosh through. Now you want to make sure that the marble goes in the same direction every time. So I usually go up to the top right and down to the bottom left, like that. And then on this nail I'm going to put some gold leaf. So I'm going to put the gold leaf at the cuticle area, little bits. They want to stick to the silicone hand, to the silicone fingers. It's really annoying. But I'm going to put a sort of like a cluster of the gold leaf at the cuticle area, and then as we get sort of further down towards the free edge, I'm just going to try and fade it out a bit. So it's sort of like, it's not really, but it's sort of like a gold leaf ombre or a blend, but it's not at all. I don't know what. Yeah, I just wanted the majority of the gold leaf to be at the cuticle area. So, and if you put this on as well before your acrylic starts to set, but mine's, can you see, it's already started to go matte, so it might not quite stick on that acrylic, but it might do, but it did. I filed around that smile line, then I'm going to go in with some of the Love Machine acrylic. This was the purple one, and I'm going to put this on quite thin because on the top of this I want to put some gold leaf and some of that shell. I think this is the first set I've not used proper glitter. Is that an offence? Is that an arrestable offence? An arrestable offence? I don't think I'm making sense. Can you tell it's Friday? So around the smile line area, I'm going to put the gold leaf. I don't know why, but I really like gold leaf at the moment. See, it sticks to the hand, the finger. And then what I'm going to do at the very tip, I'm going to take a little bit of the mother of pearl, and it just gives off this most beautiful, like iridescent kind of, I don't know, it's really pretty, man. And then I'm just going to cap that free edge, and then I will give that a good file. I always make my nail beds too high. I always do. I don't know. Anyway, they're filed and buffed. Ta-da! And then I'm going to use my Nail Sugar Natalie Mugridge 000 detailer brush and my Ugly Duckling art gel in white. I didn't know what I was going to do. I just wanted to use these. I just felt like the nails needed something. So over the top of the ring finger, where I've put the mother of pearl pieces, I'm just going to do like a wiggly wobbly line, just following the shape of the pearl pieces. It doesn't have to be, yeah, just not neat, just a squiggle. And the art gel cures in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. So once I have gone around all the pieces, I love the, I don't use pearl pieces enough. I just think they're really pretty. Really pretty. There we go. I'm going to cure that in the lamp. And then once that's cured, we're going to use Notpolish Gloss It. This is Notpolish's no wipe glossy top coat. Obviously, I think the clue's in the name, Gloss It. And I'm going to just go over all the nails. This is where the nails all come to life. I wish I'd put a little bit, I don't know. I felt as though, I feel like the nails on this set don't quite go together. But I did really like the set at the end. And I really like this middle nail with that mother of pearl piece at the free edge. Oh, but I do like the marble nail as well. I don't know, it's hard to choose. Which nail in this set was your favourite? Let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna the Gloss It from Notpolish as well. I'm pretty sure that cures in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm going to pop this in the lamp for 30 seconds. There was a hair. At some point there's always a hair that I have to get out. There we go. I blame my dog. And this is the finished set. I hope you like them. You can get 10% off Notpolish's US website using my code Natalie. Hopefully I'll have a discount code for the UK website very soon, but I'll keep you updated. Don't forget you can get 10% off now. So using my code NATMUG10. I honestly, tongue-tied city. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you beautiful lot on Monday with a new video. Have an amazing weekend. Love you all. Bye.